Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to cancel that meeting in Microsoft Outlook. So for whatever reason you need to cancel that meeting, reschedule it, let's go. The first thing you want to do is jump into your Outlook app, your desktop app, and you're going to go over to the left hand side. You're going to make sure that you are on your calendar. Now once you're on your calendar, you can see up over here that there is a view tab. You're going to tap on that view tab. Now this you'll be able to change the way you see everything over here. You're going to go ahead and look for change view on the left hand side. You're going to tap on that and make it a list view. Over here you can go through the calendars and you can see that this calendar 101, there's a meeting over here and the title of the meeting is Yo. We're going to right click on that. It's quite simple. From here you can go down and you can see it says cancel meeting. You're going to tap on that and over here it'll give you the opportunity to cancel this meeting. So it says the cancellation has not been sent for this meeting. Click send cancellation to update meeting attendees. So here you're going to just put in your title cancellation for meeting. Maybe you can enter a reason in there, and then the body of your email here you can just maybe explain to the attendees why you are cancelling the meeting, and you can possibly enter a reschedule time. You can go ahead and tap on send cancellation, and then also you want to say yes, you want to update your own calendar so that you know for a fact that you have cancelled that meeting. Ladies and gentlemen, if this was helpful, give us a big old thumbs up. We will see you next time. Cheers for now.